All right, time for another story problem. And for this one, you're going to the carnival. Yay! In this case, you got 50 bucks that's just burning a hole in your pocket that you want to spend at the carnival. Let's see. They tell us just to walk in the front door of the carnival is going to be 20 bucks. So no matter what we're doing, we're paying $20, non-negotiable. After that, we may also decide that we want to ride some rides at the carnival. Each ride ticket's $1.50, and that's where we're going to have some leeway with our money. Maybe we decide just to buy one ride ticket for $1.50. Maybe we want to spend more. That's going to be the question. Notice what they say. They want us to write an inequality, not an equation. And why they're not asking for an equation in this case is because we sort of have that leeway of how many tickets we buy. Maybe we walk in the front door and we look around and we say, yeah, I don't want to be at this carnival, and we decide to turn right around and leave, and we're only out that 20 bucks. On the other hand, maybe we walk in and say, yeah, this place is awesome. I'm going to spend as much money as I can here. So we have, some say in how much money we spend. So that's why we're writing an inequality this time and not an equation. So again, based on what we've talked about in class, hopefully you guys can get this part set up. To start out with, we're paying 20 bucks no matter what, one-time fee of 20 bucks. In addition to that, though, we're also buying ride tickets, and they are $1.50 each. So $1.50 or 1.5 times, let's say, X. And again, if you want to write on the slide what X stands for, that might not be a bad idea. X is the number of tickets that we can buy. And then I have this $50 to spend. Now notice I left a space there. No equal signs because they want an inequality, not an equation. Since 50 is our limit, we have to make sure that what we spend is under 50, so less than 50. Also, we could add that equals to bar sign because maybe we decide we want to spend all our money. So we have less than or equal to 50. Sorry, that got a little messy. So there's our inequality set up. Let's go ahead and solve it and see what we get and then interpret what that answer means. So solve as we've always solved. I'm going to subtract 20 from both sides. So 1.5x has to be less than or equal to 30. If I divide both sides by 1.5, I end up with x has to be less than or equal to 20. Now at this point, again, I want to interpret what that answer means. I have people tell me that the answer means that we can buy 20 tickets. And I usually get a little bit picky and I say, well, that's not quite what the problem means. We don't have to buy 20 tickets. Instead, what we can do, and the way a lot of people word this, is they say that we could buy up to 20 tickets. Because remember, we're working with an inequality up here. We don't have to buy 20 tickets. We can buy up to 20 tickets. Or some people say we can buy a maximum of 20 tickets, or at most 20 tickets. But just make sure you include something like that in your explanation to make sure your answer is clear.